After an increase of 5%, Shirley's monthly salary becomes $2,205. Find her original monthly salary. Her original salary would be 100%. Now, 5% has been increased in her salary. And, her salary becomes $2,205. Here we are going to find the original salary. After an increase of 5%, Shirley's monthly salary becomes 105% of her original salary. It's mean 105% of the original salary equals $2,205. 105 out of 100 times original salary equals $2,205. To find the original salary, we will shift 105 out of 100 to the right-hand side. Original salary equals $2,205 times 100 out of 105. 5 into 21, 105. 5 into 20, 100. Original salary equals $2,205 times 20 out of 21. 21 into 1, 21. 21 into 105, 2,205. Original salary equals 105 times 20 equals $2,100. Shirley's original monthly salary is $2,100.